Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin, and today is the day that we are doing our Valentine DIY hop. I am super excited, and if that interests you, then stick around and see what we have in store for you. Welcome to Fixin' 2. I have been so excited about this video today, and today's video is going to be 3 fun, simple, easy projects for you. And these 3 Valentine projects, I did something a little bit different this time. Instead of going out and purchasing stuff from, of course, my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, even though most of this stuff came from there, didn't purchase it this time. I shopped my craft room and my craft supplies and found things that I had had for a while and needed to use. And I'm sure that each one of you out there that loves to craft, loves to DIY, has some things lying around in boxes, in your drawers, in your cabinets, in your craft area. I'm sure that you can shop your craft supplies and come up with some beautiful, inexpensive decor pieces for Valentine's. Also, as you know, this is our Valentine DIY hop, and I'm so excited to be a part of this. And I am doing this with some awesome ladies over here. And let me tell you, if you don't know who these ladies are, you definitely need to check their channels out. You will absolutely love them. I do, and I know that you will. After you have watched this video and get your inspiration, I've got more inspiration for you. Down in the description box below, you will find a link to the next video. I'm not going to tell you who it is, but I know you're going to absolutely love it. So, without further ado, let's get into our 3 Valentine projects. Here are the supplies that you're going to need for the first project. And we're going to need a picture frame with all of the stuff removed. We're also going to need just a piece of copy paper and, of course, a piece of foam board, some ribbon, and I'm going to be using Waverly chalk paint in the color Ivory to paint the frame. We're going to need, of course, a paintbrush, some scissors, a utility knife, and then I'm also going to be using this boxwood garland, wired garland that I got from Target's Dollar Spot a year or so ago. So you can use any kind of garland, ribbon, anything that you want to wrap with. So first we're going to take our piece of copy paper and we're just going to fold it in half. And like we did when we were kids, to make the perfect heart, you're going to just trace out half of the heart shape. Of course, making it however big you want it for your piece. Then, of course, we're just going to cut it out. And what I wind up doing is I also am going to cut out the inside of this heart. I already have one done here for you. And basically we're going to use this as a template on our foam core board. So now we're just going to take this and trace it out on our foam core board. And using a pencil we're going to do that, and then take our X-Acto knife and cut it along those lines that we traced out. Once we get it cut out, of course, we're going to be ready to paint that and then set it aside. So now that we've got it cut out, it doesn't have to be perfect because, like I said, we are going to paint it and then we're going to be wrapping it with this garland. Now I'm going to paint it green, but I didn't have any green, so of course we're going to use yellow and blue, make green. So we'll get that mixed up and paint the front and the back and along the sides. Now that we have it painted, we're just going to set it aside and let it dry. So now we're going to take some needle nose pliers and remove those little metal pieces that hold the backing in on the frame, and then it'll be ready to paint. So now we're just going to take our ivory chalk paint, and we're going to put 2 coats on this and letting them dry in between each coat. Make sure that you get all the way around the sides, on the outside and on the inside. Now we're going to set that aside on our first coat, and we're just going to go ahead and begin to wrap the heart. Now I'm doing it in small pieces, makes it a lot easier to bring through the middle and get it completely wrapped. All right, now that we have that done, I just want to give you a little crafter's tip. If you're like me and a little impatient, on my second coat, I'm going to use a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. Now that that's dry, we are ready to take the ribbon that you want to use and be able to attach it to the frame. And basically, I'm going to measure out 24-inch piece of ribbon 2 times. So basically 2 24-inch pieces of ribbon. And deciding which the front or the back side that I want to use of the ribbon, and then we're just going to attach it to the back side on either side of the top of the heart. Once we've got the ribbon attached to the back, we're just going to kind of eyeball it into place there, and we're getting ready to tie our ribbon to the top of the picture frame. And on the back side of this, we're going to just glue down the back side of the ribbon, and then we'll flip it back over and go ahead and just tie a knot into the front. Now I'm going to create just a very simple bow, making 2 loops and then just bringing them around and making the little bow with the ribbon, the 2 loops of ribbon, and then just adjusting it to the size that you would like to have at the top of each side of your heart. And that's the size bow that I'm using for this. And so now we're ready to you can trim your ribbon if you want to, you can leave it there, it's totally up to you, make it your own. We're just going to put a little dab of hot glue and glue it to the top of each side. So definitely we'll do 2 bows on either side of the top of your heart. And that's what it looks like. I think it turned out so stinking cute. I love the way that this buffalo gingham check ribbon looks here. So here are the supplies you're going to need for project number 2. This is a little Farm Sweet Farm sign that I got at the Dollar Tree a while back ago. It has the little galvanized piece and some burlap on it. I'm also going to be using 100% acetone nail polish remover with some cotton balls. And then on my silhouette, I created February with a heart and the number 14. So real simple here. We're going to just take cotton ball with some of the nail polish remover and easily remove that writing on the front, cleaning it up with a little bit of paper towel. And then once we've got it good and clean, we're just going to apply our February 14. Now you can use any kind of stickers Dollar Tree has them. You can also buy them at Walmart and create this without even having to have a silhouette or a Cricut vinyl cutter. Another cute little sign that can be used anywhere in your decor. And for our third project, we're just going to go out back and pick out some twigs and get some type of vase. You can use the glass vases that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I found this at the thrift store and I painted it, had it on hand for a while now. And then I've also had these foam glitter hearts that you get in a pack at the Dollar Tree. I've had these for a while as well. And your hot glue gun. Basically, we are just going to take these little foam hearts, put a dab of glue on the back of them, and then just put them all over these twigs. You can put as many as you want, as few as you want. You really and truly can make this your own. Once you get it like you like it, then just stick them down in the vase that you have chosen, and voila, you will have the cutest, most simple decor piece for Valentine's Day. I absolutely love the way that these simple projects turned out. Definitely shopping my craft room and my craft supplies helped me to save a little money because it's stuff that I have had for a while. And it also, was easy to do, something very simple. And, Valentine's Day, February 14th, is only 5 weeks away. And I will have a few more DIY projects for you over the next couple of weeks. So be ready for that as well. I'm excited. I've got some wonderful things planned for you. And also don't forget that down in the description box below is the link to the next video in the Valentine DIY Hop. So make sure that you go over there, check them out, and continue to hop on around and see everybody's wonderful projects and lots more Valentine inspiration. And also, if you just hopped on in from the channel before me, and this is the first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. Consider sticking around a little while and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it, and that will notify you each time I upload new videos, and I would hate for you to miss a single one. I upload videos every Friday and would love for you to become a part of the Fixer family. I love to do DIY projects, crafting projects, and help you to decorate your home on a budget. Dollar Tree is one of my favorite stores, as well as others, but I try to do things that would help you to make your home the place that you would love to come home to. So again, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you check down in the description box below for the link to the next video. And always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.